Do you dare?
Do you dare?
Do you dare?
To think outside of your own box?
Uncensored.
Expression.
Creation.
Creativity.
Education. Community. Paint a picture.
Capture.
Beauty. Play an instrument.
Create art.
Write a story.
Tell a story.
Be
Be
the story.
Choices.
Choices.
choices. We are people,
All equal.
yet not the same.
Our words have meaning.
Our thoughts have power.
Our actions speak volumes about
Who we are.
who are you?
What do you wish for?
How do you dream?
Be the change
You want to see
In
in
the
the
world around you.
because when you change the way you look at things,
The things you look at change.
radical
radical
hospitality.